Why use encrypted email?
Encrypted email keeps your messages private. With increasing concerns about data privacy, using an encrypted service like ProtonMail protects your emails from unauthorized access. Messages are locked with strong encryption both on their servers and during transmission, meaning only you and your recipient can read them. This approach helps safeguard sensitive information and gives you greater control over your personal communications.
Creating your ProtonMail account.
Getting started with ProtonMail is simple. Visit the ProtonMail website and choose Sign Up. You can select a free or paid plan. Enter your desired email address, create a strong password, and follow the prompts. ProtonMail will guide you through account confirmation, ensuring your new inbox is ready to use. No personal information is required, making it one of the most private email registration processes.
Setting up your inbox.
Once signed up, you'll land in your secure inbox. ProtonMail's interface is user-friendly, with folders like Inbox, Sent, and Drafts on the left. Start by exploring Settings, where you can adjust your display, update your password, or configure additional security features. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as it will make managing your emails more efficient and secure.
Composing and sending encrypted emails.
Composing an encrypted email is straightforward. Click Compose and draft your message as usual. Emails sent between ProtonMail users are automatically end-to-end encrypted. If you're sending to someone who uses another service, you can set a password for them to access your message securely. This helps ensure only the intended recipient can read your email, regardless of their provider.
Additional privacy tips.
Enhance your email privacy with a few simple steps. Enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. Regularly update your password to prevent unauthorized access. Be cautious with attachments and links you receive, and remind contacts to use encryption when possible. By staying proactive, you'll make the most of ProtonMail's privacy features and protect your communication.